sorry guys, I was not uploading videos for 1 week because I have some problems. So I was not able to upload from 1 week. But now we can enjoy the videos without wasting time. Let's yeah. Hello guys, welcome to my channel Arjun Vlogs and Tech. So today I got some other other advisable thingy, other advisable like the last time we did how to free thumbnail without 1 month. So this time I'm gonna show how to make uh, a trailer for your or teaser for your channel. So first you need to go and search render with render forest, and you will get this render forest online. So just go into that, get started, and after that you click on this video, and I'm already signed in. So here you can choose like now we are making a YouTube intro, or you can make other animations also. So you have a lot of things. You can also see. Wait, I'll show you them. You can also see with before creating them. So this is like this thing. So here you can keep a logo. So let's choose this as our thing. So we have to first I already uploaded in my video thing. So first I'm gonna keep this Arjun Lots and Tech. So I'm gonna keep done, and here I'm gonna keep here I'm gonna keep like Arjun Vlogs and Tech. After this, as you can see, it's getting loaded now. No just snapshot. And now we have to go to style, and this is free, and we can make this style also. I'm keeping this style now for now. And music, yeah, your font also, so your wish. But you need to pay subscription for this, so we're not gonna do that. And music, your wish, you can add this music or Christmas here. And after that, you get preview. Here we have HD export, not this. We should use low quality, 360p quality. Export in time 2 minutes with watermark. Nothing will happen. So guys, this is with watermark. So you need to keep. If you want 720p without watermark, you should click that HD support. So guys, my video is in queue. So guys, as you can see, the video successfully exported. So we need to click on OK. And then we have here 3 play. So we're gonna play ours. So I'll show you just segment. So it will be like this. So lots and text. It has watermark, but if you want to know I don't have watermark, you can use that, and you can publish it directly from here, like here, publish on YouTube. You have here, or you can directly download and upload it. So guys, if you have liked the video, please like, share, and subscribe to Arjun Lots and Tech. So bye.